audience. What are you doing in here? Audience, what are you doing in the window, audience? Let's take this off. I have to show you. I didn't show this today. Today's my lucky day. The finger. It sucks. Whoa. Okay, let's put that down. Look at outside. Whoa, look at that. It's beautiful outside. So, let me put it back. What happened to my finger? Finger is almost bleeding. So I put sponsored video. So I didn't put boobies. So, just kidding. So I watched a hot video. Not really hot. I'm gonna cook my own breakfast. You see, guys. I'm gonna cook my own breakfast. Quiet, Joshi. I'm doing a sponsor video. Cooking my own breakfast. I'm going downstairs and cook some. Why you do that for diamonds? Put it on a stick. Why did you do that for diamonds? Yes. Okay, let's turn that on. Okay, let's turn it on. Let's get some freaking breakfast. Okay. Let's get, okay. Nope. What? We don't have any eggs. We got milk. I'm not thirsty today. Come on. Eggs. Look at this. Eggs. Look at this. This is freaking eggs. Let's close this. Okay, let's get the oil from my delicious eggs. I'm so starving. Look at my new third shirt on. Okay, here's some eggs. Okay, let's get some oil. Let's get some oil. Let's get some oil. Start that. Okay, you stay. Okay. Split round. There, then we have our eggs. Okay, let's get our eggs started. Wait, we need a bowl first. So I can't get it, so I'm holding my special iPod. Okay, let's get a bowl, a biscuits bowl here. And let's get some freaking eggs. Just kidding. Let's get some eggs. Oh my god, I can't hold it. Okay, we did it. We did it. Oh, here's my basket. Dad doing here. Okay, oops, I dropped it. Oh my god, I have a shell. Oh, that's really disgusting. Okay, cooking eggs for breakfast. Okay, let's put this in the garbage. Okay. Let's brush our hair. There we go. Okay, let's get. Oh, thanks. Oops. Dropped it. Ow! Okay, just get this fine started. Okay, we got it. See that, audience? That's how you make eggs. Do not try this at home. Don't use your iPods. They're really bad for you. Good. So my battery's almost dead. It's really fast. Gotta go fast. Okay, we got the cheese. Let's close it. Okay. Oops. One sec. Look at this cheese. This cheese. Okay, I got the cheese. Now what? Do I have to get the cheese? Okay, let's put the cheese and the eggs. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Woo! Get the cheese and the eggs. Hope I don't eat the shell. Eggs. Look at my husband's dad. He's helping me. Okay, let's get this food. The eggs gonna taste better. Woo! Very done. Just easy. Look at his eggs. Look at his eggs. They're green good. Now for a final bikini. Put it. Oh, we're doing really good. Look at that eggs. Look at that eggs. It's eggs. It's amazing. Wow, it's getting good. Whoa, it's just like real eggs. Okay, my biscuit's dad in here. He's getting the fridge. Whoa, he's good. Look at my eggs. They're cooking! Woo! So I'm wearing white today. So no, I'm wearing white. White is awesome! Let's get the white out. We just get the white. Let's get the white out. It's white day! So I'm wearing this again twice in my video. Look at my biscuits not doing here. They're getting the fridge. They're getting the plates! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! Oh my god, I have to do it like this, like a Jungle and Woogie! Ow, my pinch! Ah! Just kidding. Oh my god, look at that. Eggs! Look at that crap! Just kidding. So let's eat the crap. I don't want to eat the shell. Let's put it over here. Just one bite. Not so bad. But thanks for watching. Go to watch next video. It's your face for I sneeze if it was you. Hey, so do subscribe into darkness and redness and whiteness.